Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about climate change, so we have an expert on board today, so welcome Hudson.
Hi everyone, I am Hudson. Today I am going to talk about climate change and fine particles in the air. Climate change has now become a global challenge. Climate change refers to the change in the Earth's climate condition. It basically describes the changes that have taken place in the atmosphere over a period of time. The Earth's climate has significantly evolved due to some natural and mostly human factors. Climatic changes have been caused due to emission of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat in Earth's atmosphere, leading to increase in global temperatures. Between 1990 and 2023, Canada's greenhouse gas emissions increased by 14.4%. The average temperature in Canada has increased 3.1 degrees Celsius over the past 60-year period. Destructive natural phenomena like hurricanes, floods, and wildfires are the worst outcomes of these climatic changes. Canada has experienced some of the worst wildfires. Because of these wildfires, particles like PM 2.5 and PM 10 are released in the air. What are PM 2.5 and PM 10 particles? You might be wondering what PM 2.5 and PM 10 are. Let me tell you that these are incredibly tiny particles not visible to the naked human eye. PM 2.5 particles are 30 times smaller than the diameter of a single human hair, but PM 10 particles are visible to us as dust particles. Why PM 2.5 particles called silent and invisible killer? Because of the smaller L size of PM 2.5 particles, they can easily get into your lungs and into your bloodstream quickly. Long-term exposure of these particles can lead to deadly health conditions like heart attacks, irregular heartbeat, aggravated asthma, and decreased lung function. Sources of PM 2.5 particles in Canada. In Canada, major source of PM 2.5 is from wildfires, followed by industrial emissions primarily through oil and gas industry, power plants and manufacturing, aluminum and smelting. Some facts and figures: in recent decades, Canada had very destructive wildfires. These fires were a direct outcome of record-high temperatures across Canada. By the close of 2023, these wildfires spread across 15 million hectares of land. In Canada, about 6,000 people die annually because of these particles. According to 2023 data, the highest levels of PM 2.5 emissions were recorded in Saskatchewan, 26%, followed by Alberta, 25%. Conclusion: whatever harm has been done is past, but future is in our hands. The government should formulate such policies to maintain a balance between growth and sustaining our environment. People should also work towards keeping our air clean.